High skill guys, today we have indicator like this. This is Transcell, model is TI-500 PWL. And to calibrate this indicator we have calibration switch here on the bottom, so we need to move this switch, turn off the indicator, then turn it on. And now we're in calibration mode. We can see F1. Don't need to change F1 or something like this. We don't need to change anything, we just need to calibrate. So we go F16, press 0 button. This is 0 calibration. Nothing on the scales. No, sorry guys, this is the mistake which I made last time. So you go to the F16, you press 0 button at first. At this point you calibrate in 0, this is not what counts. And then when you press 0, you should press net gross. And at this point you calibrate in 0 already. Now you go to F16. By pressing arrow to the side, we go F17, pressing 0. Now we need to put the weight which we will use to calibrate scales with. I would like to put one more. I will put 10. Oh, it's too much a little bit. Too much zeros. $10,000. So now I need to apply 10,000 here. And the thing is, it should be stabilized as well. And when I have 10,000 here and 10,000 here, I should press net gross button. Calibration is done. Now we need to remove all the weight from the scales. Put this calibration switch back in run position, and the indicator goes back to the waiting mode. And that's all, calibration is done. You just need to check, and I would like to check it a little bit, so it's like good. The number is still running because I'm closing the hoist. 10,320, 10,310, 10,310. Calibration done. That's all. Thanks for watching.